Chekecha organic. Chekecha coffee. Chekecha kahawa. Chekecha mzungu. Chekecha Zara. Chekecha chaga. Chekecha.
So friend, we have this. Do you see there's any difference between these two?
Of course, fine.
You're totally right. I have another tricky question. Why do you think we have this? Why this one is fine and this is coarse? Why?
Depending on your filter.
You're somehow right. And you, brother?
What?
Why this one is fine and this is big?
Because they didn't work hard enough.
Why do we do the roasting? The outer part of our coffee beans is the part which get burned.
Yeah.
So while we come to crush here, it's easy to crush the outer part. And hence the outer part get burned, it's black. So you make a coffee from this outer part will have black looking and sour taste. But this, we are the inner core of our coffee, never get burned while we do the roasting. So return is here, we'll grain it once more, but hence it's the inner part, it will be lighter in color and very strong in taste.
Twende moja twende.
Tinati, kumbaye, kabashindo, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, kabayale, kumbaye, aikameko, kumbaye, kamjiro, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, kabashindo, kumbaye, aikabana, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, shinosharu, kumbaye, kosharu, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, kabashindo, kumbaye, aikameko, kumbaye, kamjiro, kumbaye, oteleri, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, strong boy, kumbaye, making coffee, kumbaye, look away, kumbaye, feeling happy, kumbaye, feeling good, kumbaye, good exercise, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, kabashindo, kumbaye, kamego, kumbaye, amjiro, kumbaye, oteleri, kumbaye, kujele, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, kabashindo, kumbaye, kamego, kumbaye, amjiro, kumbaye, tinati, kumbaye, kabashindo, kumbaye, aikameko, kumbaye, amjiro, kumbaye, oteleri, kumbaye, nayetu, kumbaye, tulisana, kumbaye, naleta, kumbaye, teruni, kumbaye, nafurahi, kumbaye, karibuni, kumbaye, tayari, kumbaye, nanugia, kumbaye, tete, para tete, papaya, papaya. Tiki tiki maji, aina ya matunda, parachichi, papai, tiki tiki maji, aina ya matunda,